Hello, good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, why can't the people sleep through the night in Northland?
Ma'am, because it is always winter in the Northland and the nights are so long, very long.
So people cannot sleep throughout the night because nights are extremely long. They cannot sleep them through. Okay. Mayank, Mayank, can you hear me? Mayank, Pooja Kumari, are you? Pooja Kumari, Pooja, no response. Pooja Kumari, Akansha.
Ma'am, what was the question?
Question
Hello.
is, question is, how do the children of Northland look like?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Abhinav, answer. How do the children of?
Ma'am, they,
Can I?
Okay, let Abhinav answer one by one. You will get chance.
ma'am, childrens are wear the furry
Um,
clothes
yeah,
because
for
that they
Vishaka.
are looking the bear
Ma'am,
cubs.
can I?
Wait, one person is
Hello.
answering. You have to learn manners. If someone is answering, then don't interfere. If someone interferes, like when you are answering, how will you feel? I will give you chance one by one. Okay, Abhinav, answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav, yes.
The North Pole childrens are wearing the furry clothes because that they are looking the cubs.
Yes, very good, Abhinav. They look like bear cubs. Why they look like bear cubs? Because they are wearing the funny and furry clothes. So they look like bear cubs. But Abhinav, you said children's. Is it the correct word?
No, ma'am. All the peoples are wearing the.
Children. Children's. Children is already plural. Child. What is the plural of child?
Children.
Children. It is already a
Children.
plural word. You don't have to add s.
Ma'am, children.
You learnt in your junior classes some words which form their plural not by adding s but in different ways. Foot. What is the plural of this?
Feet. Ma'am, feet.
Okay. Anurag Roy. What is the plural of this? Mouse. Anurag.
Feet.
Anurag, can you hear me? Anurag. Okay. Harshvardhan, answer. Harshvardhan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the question?
Question is plural of mouse.
Ma'am, uh, mice.
Yes. Okay. Vijay Lakshmi, you wanted to answer plural of food.
Ma'am,
Uh,
foot. Ma'am,
food.
feet.
Feet. Yes, very
Ma'am,
good.
feet.
Yes, good. So इसमें अगर हम s लगाएं तो क्या ये सही होगा? Feet.
No, ma'am.
No, because it has already become plural. So similarly,
No, ma'am.
in some words you should not add s, like men's. This is also not wrong. Of course, apostrophe डाल सकते हैं, but not plural. This is wrong because men is already plural. Man, men. Okay. So not children. So children wear furry clothes.
Ma'am,
Okay. Um, okay, Vishakha, what happened when Saint Peter reached the cottage of the woman? Vishakha? Vishakha, you wanted to
Ma'am,
ask?
as he was very starving, he
Yes.
yes, ma'am. When Saint Peter came, as he was very starving, so he just want uh, uh, he just asked the old he just asked the lady to give him a single cake from his shop.
Okay, very good. So Saint Peter reached the cottage of the lady, and she asked the lady to give him a single piece of uh, cake. Okay. So what is the meaning of TLE tail? Will tell me.
Ma'am, can
Pooja
I? Ma'am
Kumari.
Abhinav?
Okay, Abhinav, answer.
Ma'am, it means story.
Story. Okay. Tale means story. Okay. Then who will answer? Pooja. Pooja Kumari. What is the meaning
Yes,
of
ma'am.
what is the meaning of preaching?
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, may
Oh,
I?
may I? कौन अभिनव ने आंसर किया था?
Ma'am
आशीष
Ma'am, may
Abhinav?
I?
आशीष राज आंसर.
Ma'am, my
आशीष.
speech given by a saint.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, speech given by us. And what
Ma'am,
Abhinav?
Ma'am,
moral
moral teaching.
teaching.
Ma'am, moral teaching. Giving the moral teaching. Lesson. Giving the moral lesson.
Okay, moral speech given by saints. Moral preaching given by saints. Okay, preaching. Okay. What is the meaning of hearth? Janvi? Janvi,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is the
Ma'am,
meaning of?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
fireplace.
yes, very good. Hearth means fireplace. Okay. I'm just checking how attentive you were in the previous class. Okay, good sign. Most of you are attentive. Okay. Uh, what did the lady do when Saint Peter asked him for a piece of cake? Who will answer? Anurag Roy. Anurag? Anurag? Not present. Okay, who will answer this?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Oh, Srija, you have already answered. I want someone who hasn't answered today.
May
Akansha?
I?
Uh,
Ma'am,
Ashish?
answer Shah.
Akansha? You have answered today. Uh, Tanvi, Tanvi, is Tanvi present? She also answers not present today. Anurag Roy? Anurag hasn't answered today. Raise your hands, those who know the answer, then I will choose. Uh, what did the lady do? What did the lady do when Saint Peter asked for a piece of cake? Okay, Ashish. What did the lady do when Saint Peter asked for a cake?
Ma'am, she keep on needing a smaller cake than before. She thought that if she had to eat that cake, she felt that it was a very smaller cake. But when the time came to give it to another person, she felt that it was a very big cake.
Yes, very good, Ashish. So she needed smaller and smaller dough to bake cakes, and when she was about to give it, then she felt that it is too big to give. Uh, she felt that it is too big to give away, and she continuously kept on making smaller and smaller cakes. Mm. What happened when the lady refused to give the piece of cake to Saint Peter? Abhishek
Ma'am,
Singh?
can I?
Can I con? So I
Abhinav Anand.
okay, Abhinav. Abhinav, you have answered.
Ma'am, Saint Peter.
अच्छा ठीक ठीक है
Okay.
आंसर करो करो आंसर.
Ma'am, Saint Peter gives the crust to the lady.
Yes, she gives a curse. She gives a curse to the lady. Okay, Ayush Kumar 9B. I can see your name. Ayush Kumar. Ayush Kumar. Ayush Kumar 9B. Ayush Kumar. Now I'm going to tell you to turn on your cameras. From tomorrow's class, all of you have to turn on your camera.
No, ma'am, please.
Why then few students, they don't respond at all? From tomorrow, you have to turn on your cameras. I will put the message in the class group. Ayush Kumar.
Okay, ma'am.
Uh, Ayush Kumar. See, there is no response at all. Abhishek Singh. Abhishek Singh. Okay, Srija, answer. What did Saint Peter do when?
Ma'am, Saint Peter cursed the lady for her selfishness and turned her into a woodpecker, saying that she was far too selfish to have a shelter and food and a fireplace to keep her warm.
Yes, Saint Peter cursed the lady. Cursed. He cursed the lady, saying that you don't deserve to be a human being. You
Ma'am,
don't.
it's trapped, you know.
Kya Vishakha? You want to say something? So Saint Peter cursed the lady. He said that you don't deserve.
Ma'am, I was just saying the meaning of cursed.
Srap.
हाँ श्राप. कर्स का हिंदी मीनिंग श्राप होता है. कर्स्ड. अभिशाप. ओके. You are far too selfish to dwell in human form. So dwell means what?
To live.
Live.
Yes,
Ma'am,
dwell
live.
means to live.
Ma'am, to live.
Dwelling means house. Dwelling, abode, house, all are
Ma'am,
synonyms. Yes, Vijay Lakshmi. Okay. So he's cursed her. And what does the woodpecker do all day? Who will answer this? Anurag Kumar. Okay.
Ma'am,
Anurag Kumar, answer. What does the woodpecker do all day? It is mentioned in the poem. How does the woodpecker get its food? What does it do all day?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay. Uh,
May I?
Janvi, answer. Okay, Janvi.
may I?
Yes, ma'am. Woodpecker get his food by boring for his food in the in the tree.
Yes, the woodpecker keeps on boring and boring and boring. Means wood, for a woodpecker it is very difficult to get his food. So what is the meaning of scanty? Who will tell me the meaning of
Ma'am,
scanty?
can I? Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Abhinav?
ma'am,
Less
less
in
in
amount.
amount.
Yes, less in amount. What is the uh, antonym of scanty?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Okay, Srija?
Ma'am, plenty, adequate.
Plenty, adequate.
Or amount.
Okay. So scanty means less in amount. Uh, and antonyms are adequate, plenty. Okay. So what was common between the lady and the woodpecker? What was
Ma'am,
the
can I? Ma'am, can I?
Abhinav, you have answered. Someone who hasn't answered. Okay, Akansha.
May I?
Akansha. Akansha. Earlier, Akansha used to answer. What happened? Okay, Vishakha answer. Vishakha. What was common between the lady and the woodpecker? Vishakha?
Ma'am, the scarlet cap
Yes, scarlet
will be the
cap.
same on her head.
Scarlet cap. Even if you see the woodpecker, it has a red color cap on its head. It it is because the lady was wearing the red color cap when she was cursed by Saint Peter, and everything was burned. Everything was burned. Black as coal in flame. Which figure of speech? Black as coal?
Ma'am, simile.
Yes, simile. So in the poems you have to,
Ma'am, simile.
yes, in the poems you have to uh, find out the figure of speech also. So black as coal is simile. The comparison is between the burnt clothes of the lady and the coal. Uh, and what is the common quality? Both are black. And every country schoolboy has seen her in the wood. Wood here means forest. Wood does not mean the normal wood, lakdi wala wood, nahi forest. Every country schoolboy. So have you seen woodpecker?
Yes, ma'am.
देखा है तुम लोगों ने? लंबा
Yes,
सा
ma'am.
चोंच होता
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The beak of the woodpecker is long and pointed. Uh, that is because it has to,
Yes, ma'am, to make a hole on the tree trunk.
yes, to the tree trunk is hard, so it has to have a sharp beak to bore a hole in it. Where she lives in the trees till this very day, even today the woodpecker exists. And the woodpecker is the cursed. Who is the woodpecker actually? If you believe the story, the legend that is told in Northland, अगर हम उस legend को सही माने तो woodpecker actually कौन है?
Small lady.
The lady,
The
woman,
little, so
The miser
the
lady.
little woman.
From the small lady.
yes, the miser, greedy lady, the miser, greedy, selfish, miser, greedy, selfish lady who was cursed by Saint Peter for not giving him food. Okay, boring and boring for food. So ultimately, the woodpecker, the lady gets its her punishment. So, what moral do you learn from this poem? Who will tell me the moral? Batao. Uh, Anurag Roy. Anurag Roy, tell me the moral that you get from this poem. Hello, Anurag.
Ma'am, I can answer.
No, I want someone who doesn't.
Ma'am, I can also.
Someone who doesn't respond. Ayush Kumar.
Ma'am.
Ayush Kumar. Akansha. Anurag Roy. All hands. Okay, Anurag has raised the hand. Anurag, answer. Anurag Roy.
Ma'am, the moral of the story is that the greed is not greed is cursed for the human beings. If the God has been giving you shelter, food, and comfort, we should take care of all these. So we should have generous and never refuse food, shelter, or even those in need.
Okay, very good, Anurag. Share our things. Help those who are in need. In need. Shouldn't be selfish. So these are the morals that we get from the poem. These are the moral that we shouldn't be greedy. Greed is great evil. Then we should share our things with others. If God has given us something in plenty, we should be grateful for it. We should be thankful, and we should also share our things. Sharing and caring. Sharing and caring is very essential in human life. Help those who are in need. The lady refused to help a hungry saint. Uh, shouldn't be selfish. Okay. Ballad. As I told you, this poem is a ballad. Ballad is a song narrating a story in short stanzas. Ballads are a part of folk culture or popular culture. Uh, Originally, the ballads were sung in the streets. It was a form of entertainment for the people. Times have changed now, and we have the means of entertainment has changed now. Now we are dependent on just the television and cinema, other things for our entertainment. Earlier, street plays, street songs, these were the means of entertainment for the people. Uh, it was a part of popular culture and are passed on orally from one generation to the next. So, Legend of Northland is a ballad. Legend, I already told you, old traditional story. Saint Peter, an apostle of Christ. Messenger. Apostle means messenger. T is silent. You don't pronounce the T. Apostle.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you have written shellfish, ma'am, instead of selfish.
Oh, it was a slip of the pen. Yes. Slip of the pen. Selfish. Yes. Yes. Okay. Thank you for pointing. It happens. Slip of pen. Selfish. Okay. So, provoke means make angry. Okay. Most of the questions I've already answered, asked from in between. Which country or countries do you think the Northland refers to? Which are the countries of the...
Ma'am, may I answer, Vishakha?
Okay, Vishakha. In the extreme north, which countries are?
The Northland refers to any extremely cold country which is totally covered with snow, such as Greenland, Canada, or any other North Polar regions.
Extremely cold countries near the polar regions. Means near the cold North Pole.
मैम
Near.
एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है
हाँ पूछो.
मैम ऊपर सेंट पीटर का जो ग्लॉसरी में मीनिंग दिया है एन अपोस्टल ऑफ क्राइस्ट तो मैम जब अपोस्टल में टी को प्रोनाउंस ही नहीं करते तो ऐसे वर्ड में उन लेटर्स को रखते हैं कि जिन्हें प्रोनाउंस नहीं करना होता है.
कैसे पता चलेगा? क्या पूछे हो तुम? कैसे पता चलेगा?
मैम जब
हाँ क्यों लिख...
मैम जब उन लेटर्स को प्रोनाउंस ही नहीं करना है तो वर्ड में उनको रखते हैं क्यों है स्पेल?
That is the peculiarity of English language. If you see English language, everything is not logical. T और टू होता है तो G और गो क्यों होता है? लॉजिकल नहीं है, उसका अपना एकदम एक वियर्ड लैंग्वेज है इंग्लिश. These are the peculiarities of the language. अब hospital means a place where sick people are treated. उसी में थोड़ा सा वेरिएशन करके hospitable. Then what is the meaning?
Ma'am, hospitality.
Welcoming
Hospitable
nature.
means quality of entertaining guests, mehman nawazi. To take good
Yes, ma'am.
care of your guests, hospitable.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
and hospital means where sick persons are treated. So words seem similar, but their meaning is so different. So that is the peculiar thing, the strange thing about English. If you see, there is no correspondence between words and sounds, between spellings. So, and the way it is pronounced. वो इंग्लिश का एक पेक्यूलियर फीचर है, ऐसा ही लैंग्वेज है. ओके. There are numerous words where you don't pronounce the letters, like how do you pronounce it? Hello?
Psychology.
Psychology.
Yes, psychology.
Fine.
Psychology. You don't pronounce the P. हाँ? कभी जो है, अब ये वर्ड लिखो. In both the words, you pronounce the CH in different way, isn't it? How do you pronounce
Yes,
the
ma'am.
word?
Chaos.
Chaos. यहाँ क हम इसको pronounce करते हैं.
Chaos. चार में.
Chaos. अगर देखें तो इसको इस तरह pronounce करते हैं. इसको कैसे, इस CH को कैसे pronounce करते हैं?
Charm.
Charm. तो यहाँ हम इसको क pronounce कर रहे हैं, यहाँ
चार.
च pronounce कर रहे हैं. Isn't it? Here we are pronouncing it as k, here we are
हम च से
pronouncing
pronounce.
ch. So what is the logic behind? There is no logic. So it is a strange language. You have to be aware gradually of its strangeness. Okay. Okay. So this. What did Saint Peter ask the lady for? All these questions, I think, I have already asked, isn't it? How does the woodpecker? So you can do these questions in your copy. All of you are maintaining the copy.
Yes, ma'am.
Very soon your school is going to reopen.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I've sent you. Ma'am, please check.
Hopefully in August. 11, 12 students are already coming to school. Next is your chance, 9, 10. And once the school reopens, copies will be deposited. You have to submit your copies because we have to put the marks for the first term. So don't keep a lot of backlog. As and when the chapters are finished, you do the question answers. Because now you have a lot of time in these online classes.
Ma'am.
Commuting time of the student is saved. The time which was wasted in the traveling, commuting time. So you have time. Don't waste your time. Okay. All the questions I think we have discussed. Is there any question which needs to be discussed? How did he punish her? How does the woodpecker get it food? What was the lady's reaction? Is this a true story?
No,
Which
ma'am.
part of the poem do you
Questions पूछ चुकी है.
uh, we don't know whether it is a true story or not. Is this a true story? Which part of this poem do you feel is the most important? It is
Ma'am, may
your
I answer?
okay. The opinion may vary a little bit. It's okay. Okay, Srija.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the part where the lady admits that it was very difficult for her to give away her cakes as they seemed quite large, but the same looked tiny when she ate them herself. And the part where the saint became angry and punished the lady is the most important because it shows how our selfishness can bring gruesome consequences and makes us realize the importance of life and generosity towards the needy.
Yes. So that part where the lady is cursed by Saint Peter. According to me, that part is most important because that gives you the lesson that the consequences of greed and selfishness, they can be very bad. That okay, what is a legend? Why is the poem called a legend? This you can answer because it has been passed on from generations to generation. That is why it is a legend. Okay. Story. So you have to write the story. This also you can do it. This you have to convert the story, the poem in a story. Okay. Okay. Rhyming word. Okay. So that brings us to the end of the chapter. 5 minute bacha hai. 6 minute. What should we do in the 6 minutes?
Ma'am,
In the
uh,
class, ma'am.
End the class.
no ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rija?
मैम अभी इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच हो रहा था ना, उसमें एक्सप्लेनेटरी स्टेटमेंट्स मैम बचे हुए थे.
अच्छा अच्छा, तो फिर किसी दिन डिस्कस कर देंगे उसको. एक्सक्लेमेटरी, यस, exclamatory
Yes,
was
ma'am.
left. Why should I end the class 5 minutes earlier? Let us do something. I have lot of materials for you, isn't it? This we have done.
मैम ये सब आप ग्रुप पे मैम भेज दीजिएगा या
ठीक
स्नैप होमवर्क पे.
ठीक है, मैं भूल जाती हूँ. आज मैं भूल, ये तो कर चुके थे. देखें कुछ नया सा.
मैम इसके पहले वाला पैराग्राफ एक बार दिखाइए ना.
इससे पहले वाला ये.
यस मैम, इसी में और ऊपर मैम, इसके पहले वाला मैम, इस वाले मैम जिसमें एक फर्स्ट सेंटेंस था, नो वन इज बॉर्न.
Oh, this one. Ah, yes, no one is born hating another person. यही तो लिखवाए थे. What was the confusion? Hating is the word. No one is born hating another person. That only we had.
मैम उस दिन हम लोग 2 हेट आंसर किए थे, ऑप्शन 1 आंसर किए थे उस दिन हम लोग.
Option 1 दिए थे. No one is born to hate another person. No one is born hating another person. If you see to hate also, it's not wrong. No one is born to hate another person.
Yes,
Grammatically
ma'am. It
that
is
cannot
not
be
wrong.
considered wrong.
मैम
एक
टू
सेंटेंस को,
एप्रोप्रिएट लग रहा है मैम.
हाँ, एक सेंटेंस को दो तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है ना आशीष? बुक में, हाँ, बुक के पैराग्राफ में है नो वन इज बॉर्न हेटिंग अनदर पर्सन, बट यू कैन यूज टू हेट. जैसे कि देखो, ही लाइक्स सिंगिंग. आशीष, यू हैड दिस डाउट. हेलो हेलो.
यस मैम.
देखो ये, दिस इज अ सेंटेंस, ही लाइक्स सिंगिंग. Can't we write it like this? He likes to sing. दोनों तरह से लिख सकते हैं ना, तो ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, दोनों तरह से. तो here also you can use hating, you can use to hate. Of course, yes. In the this paragraph is from the chapter Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. It is a chapter of class 10, and in the book it is hating. But you can write to hate. It is not grammatically wrong. Sometimes in the MCQs, sometimes it happens that 2 options are correct. ठीक है ना? Okay. Okay. Mr. Luckily, Mr. Kissing dash the joke, the dash way.
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
हाँ विशाखा बोलो.
मैम हमारा जो कम्प्रीहेंशन बुक है
हाँ.
मैम वो मुझसे पढ़ाई नहीं होगी.
Words and expressions.
यस मैम वही.
Words and expression is for practice. Now that the course is finished, I will download some of the exercises from that and we can do it in the class. Comprehension, it is not possible to do in the class. Comprehension you have to practice at home. अगर ऑफलाइन क्लासेस होंगे तो हम क्लास में कॉम्प्रिहेंशन प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, but in online classes I think comprehension will become very monotonous. A long passage. Once the offline classes begin, we can practice from that book. That book is mainly for practice. There is nothing new. it is according to the CBSE pattern. All the exercises are there: reading, writing, grammar, literature. That book is for practice. uh, so we will practice it in the class. A lot of time is left.
मैम तो उस बुक से मैम एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस आएंगे.
हाँ, तो वो तो उसमें तो सारे इसी सब चैप्टर्स से क्वेश्चंस हैं, और ग्रामर भी सीबीएसई पैटर्न पे है, तो वो प्रैक्टिस के लिए है. नाउ दैट द सिलेबस इज कंप्लीट, वी विल डू दोज थिंग्स. 1 month is left, so what will we do? We will practice everything. Okay. Okay, so time is over now. Grammar exercises we can do some other day. And again I'm telling everyone, you have to maintain your copies and with all the grammar notes. In words and expression, there is no grammar chapter, there is no rules, no explanation. You have to maintain the copy and write all the rules and explanation in grammar copy. Okay, maintain your copies, all of you. Okay. And few of you send it on my WhatsApp, the notes and all. I appreciate that. Okay. Okay, bye all of you. So I'm ending the class.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.